ESOP, bank overdraft. Okay. Number of partners in a partnership. Beyond this, anything you would like to know beyond this? Missing figure, change in my market scheme, no more MCQs. So we have everything. Have you got the booklet with you? You have the booklets? Okay. The material is already available in the textbook, okay, in length. But how to teach this topic in the classroom? This booklet has been designed in that form. So you can see the latest changes starting from the part A. These are the queries which we normally get constantly through WhatsApp, through phone calls. The very first query, that is the new addition made in the curriculum this year, is regarding the treatment of interest on loan, interest on partners loan. So interest on partners loan is to be treated as a charge against the profit. Now the question arises, what is the exact meaning of this? Charge means what? Which expense? So expenses are shown in which account? So the query is, can we show this amount in the profit and loss appropriation account? No. Okay. But some says that since it is a charge, okay, but we can also subtract it from the net profit. But it is just an adjustment. But technically speaking, it cannot be shown on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Second, this thing we were normally doing in past, but CBSE has given it black and white this time regarding the preparation of revaluation account, balance sheet. Same thing we are doing in the admission and retirement other chapters. So there is nothing new. Third thing, the realized value of each asset must be given at the time of dissolution. It means what? Yeah, it means that there will be no asset without the realized value. And even if something is given without the realized value, though they should not give such questions, but if something is there, then we can assume the realized value as nil. We can write a note. Regarding the company accounts, provisions of the company's account 2013 will apply, and the schedule 6 is now schedule 3. New topic, ESOP. Regarding ESOP, I would like to add that don't go in too much detail, please. आपको याद होगा ये टॉपिक 5 साल पहले भी था, इसीलिए हटाया गया बिकॉज वी वर टीचिंग इन डेप्थ और सीबीएसई उतना नहीं चाहता था. सो वी नीड टू रेस्ट्रिक्ट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग एज पर द लेवल ऑफ क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट, तो वो भी हम लेंगे. देन द न्यू प्रोविजंस रिगार्डिंग द क्रिएशन ऑफ डीआरआर, इन्वेस्टमेंट इन डीआरआई एंड द न्यू जर्नल एंट्रीज रिलेटेड टू इट. इन पार्ट बी, what are the important changes regarding the bank overdraft and cash credit to be treated as short-term borrowings? Now the query comes many times that what is the difference between the bank overdraft and the cash credit? Are they same or different? Are they same? No. What is the difference, anyone?